There are countless myths about car maintenance that many drivers still believe. Unfortunately, following bad advice can lead to unnecessary expenses, poor performance, or even serious damage to your vehicle. In this video, we're busting 10 common car maintenance myths and revealing what actually works so you can take better care of your car. 1. You must change your oil every 3,000 miles. While this was true for older vehicles, modern cars use synthetic oils and have more efficient engines, allowing them to go 5,000 to 10,000 miles or more between oil changes. However, always check your owner's manual for the manufacturer's recommendation, instead of sticking to outdated advice. 2. Premium fuel is always better. Many drivers believe that premium fuel improves performance and fuel efficiency. However, if your car does not require premium fuel, using it won't make a difference. Premium fuel is only necessary for high-performance engines that need higher octane levels to prevent knocking. If your car is designed for regular gas, you're just wasting money on premium. 3. You should warm up your car for several minutes in cold weather. Modern fuel-injected engines don't need long warm-ups. Idling for more than 30 seconds just wastes fuel and increases emissions. Instead, let your car run for a few seconds and start driving gently. This warms up the engine faster than idling for a very long time. 4. You must replace all 4 tires at once. While it's ideal to have 4 matching tires, you don't always need to replace them all at the same time. If only 1 or 2 tires are worn out, you can replace just those as long as the remaining tires still have good tread depth. However, for all-wheel drive vehicles, it's best to replace all 4 to avoid damaging the drivetrain. 5. Car batteries recharge fully after a short drive. A quick 10-minute drive won't fully recharge a dead or weak battery. Most modern alternators maintain battery charge rather than fully recharging it. If your battery is weak, it's best to use a trickle charger or take longer drives to ensure a full charge. 6. Engine flushes are always necessary. Unless your mechanic specifically recommends an engine flush, they're often unnecessary. Modern engines and high-quality oils keep the system clean, and frequent flushes can dislodge deposits, potentially clogging oil passages. Stick to regular oil changes instead. 7. Brake fluid never needs to be changed. Brake fluid absorbs moisture over time, which can lead to corrosion and reduced braking efficiency. Most manufacturers recommend changing brake fluid every 2 to 3 years, even if it looks clean. Always follow your car's maintenance schedule. 8. You should inflate tires to the PSI written on the sidewall. The number on the sidewall indicates the maximum pressure the tire can handle, not the recommended pressure for your car. The correct PSI for your vehicle is usually found on a sticker inside the driver's door or in the owner's manual. Over or underinflating can lead to poor handling and tire wear. 9. You should wash your car with dish soap. Dish soap strips away protective wax and can dry out rubber seals. Always use a pH-balanced car shampoo to clean your vehicle safely without damaging the paint or finish. 10. Your car's air conditioning uses too much fuel. While AC does use some fuel, driving with windows down at high speeds creates more drag, reducing fuel efficiency even more. At low speeds, open windows may be more efficient, but at highway speeds, it's better to use the AC. Now that you know the truth, you can take better care of your car and avoid unnecessary expenses. Which of these myths have you believed before? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more car tips and myth-busting videos.